Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to import AutoCAD drawing into the Golden software, just like what you can see on the screen. From my previous video where I showed how to compute or calculate for volume, I imported this particular AutoCAD drawing, but some of my viewers have actually asked me that they are finding it difficult to import. So I just want to show you the best format you have to save your DWG drawing as before you go ahead to import. So let's get started. I'm just going to delete this. So after that, I'm just going to come back to my AutoCAD workspace here. Okay, so this is the perimeter of the project site. This is the perimeter here, and you make sure that your perimeter is joined with the polyline tool. You make sure you join it with the polyline tool, all right, and not the line tool that is discontinuous. So you make it a continuous line. All right, that's number one information you have to take note of. And if you have already survey plan and you just want to copy the perimeter, you just need to select it, just the boundary line, right click onto your keyboard, navigate to copy, click on copy, then you open a new workspace. All right, then you right click, come to clipboard, then you paste to the original coordinates, because the software is going to be making use of the coordinates of your AutoCAD drawing. So the two of your drawing, both your contour map and your perimeter, must be on the same spatial or reference system. Okay, so that is what you have to take note of. Secondly, then when you have your DWG on a new workspace, you make sure it is the only objects available on your new workspace. Don't let it to be crowded like this. So you need to copy it and paste on a new workspace. So when you are done with that, and don't forget it must be joined with polyline, that is continuous line, right? Then you now click on this maybe your AutoCAD or your Civil 3D icon above here, then you click on Save As. So when you click on Save As, the best format you have to save your AutoCAD drawing is the DXF. So you do that under the files of type, click on the drop down here, then you save it as the AutoCAD 2007 DXF. Don't let it to be DWG, it will not be readable by software, and this is what you will not see in many videos online. Alright, so you save it as 2007 DXF, then you can now rename. So I'm just going to call this total area 2. Okay, then you note the folder where it is going into and you click on save. After that, you make sure you close the drawing of your perimeter. Close the drawing so that it can be imported on other software. Alright, so you now minimize your drawing, your AutoCAD window. So you now come to your software application, you select your contour, then you right click, come to add to map, then you navigate to base, click on base. So you can go to the folder where you have your data, your AutoCAD drawing. So I have it under my YouTube, under volume computation, then I save it as total area 2. Alright, you select your AutoCAD drawing, then you click on open. It is going to ask you all this on default. So if you have your object, that is your AutoCAD drawing, in different color combination, it is best you check this. But if you don't have, it is still okay, you just leave it on default, then you click on OK, and you are going to see your DWG drawing overlaid at its perfect position, right, on your contour surface. So you can just change the color of the perimeter to be distinct from other features as the contour lines by clicking on the plus sign beside the base vector. So I can just extend this. Alright, so that is it. Then you click on this plus sign, select the polygon. You can see, so that you can select. You have more than one layer on this whole drawing. You have for your contour, you have for your base map. So you need to select the polygon so that you can edit under the properties polygon, edit whatsoever. So I'll just edit for the color, make it red, and you can increase the width to be much thicker. So guys, that is how to import AutoCAD drawing into Golden software. So make sure you follow the video how we save the data and how we import. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.